Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
This is the Touareg V6 R-Line Tech we've currently got for sale, finished in a lovely silicon grey metallic paint. Featuring a 3-litre TDI diesel engine producing 231 PS with that brilliant 4MOTION all-wheel drive as well. The car benefits from a full Volkswagen service history to give you peace of mind motoring alongside the approved used benefits which I'll mention shortly. At the front, as well as adaptive cruise control, you've also got 4 LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. And running down the side of the car, you've got these lovely 20-inch Nevada alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards as well. The huge amount of boot space available with split folding seats, there's plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. This car also benefits from the optionally fitted electric tow bar as well for all your towing needs. Folds out with a touch of a button. You'll have ease of access to the boot space as well with the electric tailgate and also keyless entry. Moving inside, you get lovely full leather upholstery giving a luxurious feel with a centre armrest and a couple of cup holders, and your rear passengers have also got their own climate control and a couple of power outlets. At the front of the vehicle you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable, with full electric adjustment for the driver's seat and also memory function as well. Just behind the wheel you've got a full digital display and also a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. And alongside digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you'll also benefit from the brilliant Apple CarPlay and Android Auto systems, allowing you to mirror up some of your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got your climate control function, which is nice and easy to adjust. You can also adjust the balancing of the seat heating, so you can have it more on the base or on the back of the seat. There's multiple driver modes available as well. Of course, being a 4MOTION all-wheel drive, you've got the snow setting and off-road settings as well, including hill descent control and much more. To help with parking, you've got front and rear parking sensors, and there's also a rear view camera as well. Even a special mode for when your tow bar's out. And a little bit further down the cabin you've got a little bit of storage, as well as wireless phone charging and a USB port so you can charge multiple devices on the move. With your volume adjustment just running down the centre there as well.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.